Hey, put your head on this side. On the other side.
Keep going with it.
Good, go. Keep moving. Good.
Come up, come up, come up. Come up right now. Come on. Hand on the ankle. Hand on the ankle. Go, go, go. Hand on the ankle. Go, go, go.
Back down, back down.
I did too. Spiral that. Spiral that. Inside forward.
All right, Robert. Wrist out. There you go.
Hey, turn this leg.
Build up, build up.
Follow, follow. Let's head to the knee. Good pressure. Good pressure. Go, go, go. Elbow up. You gotta get to the side.
Excuse me.
Give me one. It's one and then two. Come on, head up the ankle. Good defense.
Robert.
Come on, Robert!
Sit back into him. Sit back into him. Sit back into him. Get the hand off. Extend your leg. Extend your leg. Slide your leg out. Leg out to the front. Come on. Come on.
There you go, Robert.
Come on, run.
He'll love half that.
Let him up. High crotch. Elbow control.
You gotta get a takedown, Robert.
Matt, drag it. Drag it. Wax off.
There you go. Ankle cross face, ankle cross face.
Crossface.
Build up. Right.
Crossface. Get him up his hips.
Come on, Robert, you gotta go. You gotta go.
Grab his arm and throw forward. Grab that arm and throw. Grab that roll.
Keep up. Lift his ankle up. Let his head to his knee. Right there. Circle.
Beat it. Throw it again. Throw it up. Throw it up.
Roll it over. Roll it over. Roll it over. Roll it over. Right there. Hold it.
Oh.
Hey, hey, hey. Pay attention. Hey, hey.
Hey, you're down 5-2, Robert. Come on, Robert. Stay tough. I need down. I need down. Whistle.
Follow.
There you go. There you go. Keep moving.
To your feet. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Watch out.
Grab his ankle. Ankle.
There he is. Roll it.
Hey, walk all the way down. Walk all the way down. Keep
Big.
Can't see.
How much time?
Put that on him next.
I'm wearing the tongue.
Pull the hip.
Come on, Robert.
Hey, hey, hey. I need to feel this. Not that way.
Robert.
Same body stuff you on Thursday.
Quit letting him break your head.
Hey, hey,
Not
hey.
good again.
That must be Mario's daddy.
What, any more?
Told you.
Come on, Robert, get him.
Hold on a second. Brett, hold on.
Come on, Robert.
Time to mess up.
Come straight up with it.
Come on, Robert.
Snap him back. Circle.
Right there.
Yeah.
Great work.
Come on, Robert.
Stay tough.
No collar time. Dance. Circle. Motion. Chop that out. Chop that out. Overtime. 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 Overtime.
Throw, Robert. Hit the throw. There it is.
Hey, cut out. Cut out. Cut back. Drive, drive, drive. Drive. Keep going into it. Drive into it. Keep driving into it. Great job. You got this, Robert. Do it. Hey, chicken wing. Run it, run it, run it, run it. Come out front. Stack him there. Keep running it. Put your knees next to him and just bump him on his hip. Run now. Run it over his head. Other way. Run it over the
feet,
nose.
Robert.
Hey, hip down and run that way. Hip down. Other hip down.
He's high.
Run,
He's
run,
high.
run. Keep running. Get him on the shoulder.
Damn
Stack him.
head gears down around his chin.
Keep coming.
Very light, Robert.
Watch, he's going to step over. You got to bump him. Hey, get him flat. Hey, inside bar on the other side. Inside bar on the other side. Now run it. Gotta get the chicken wing in your teeth. Bump, 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 bump. Bump into him. Hips. Hips.
Go, Robert.
Keep walking. Run, 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 run. Run. Step over the head.
arm.
Step over the head. Good work.
Go, Robert.
These guys give us